What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2017 Nissan Maxima. This is an absolute beast of a sedan. Starting up on the front, we got LED headlights with fog lights. Got that chrome trimming up on the front bumper, as well as two-tone alloy rims. Got that glossy black, and then this kind of matte silver. It looks really good. Same trimming on the under the windows and on the door handles. This is the SV trim, so we get lots of cool sporty features. A dual exhaust system, backup camera just under the badge here. Pop the trunk. We get tons of space on the inside of this Maxima. That goes back super far. But other than that, guys, we get keyless entry. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, guys, as for the interior, we have a beautiful interior here. Full tan leather seating. Front two seats are heated. You can find the controls for those just up in front of the console. Now, up on the steering wheel, you have Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, and cruise control. And it is a sporty steering wheel with the flat bottom to it. It's leather wrapped. Over to the left, front two windows are automatic up and down. And then to the left of the wheels where you can find your hood latch, traction control, and your trunk latch. Over on the screen, we do have Bluetooth capabilities, FM and AM radios, as well as navigation. I'll throw it in reverse, show you guys the backup camera. So we get those guidance lines that turn as you turn the steering wheel. In this Maxima, we do have dual zone AC in the passenger side, driver's side, and then we also have vents for those back seats. This is a push to start, and then in this little space we have two USBs, our aux port, and then all the controls for the screen are just behind the gear shifter. We also do have a sport mode on the inside of this Maxima. Other than that, though, guys, we have home link on our rear view mirror, and this is overall just a beautiful interior. There's leather absolutely everywhere. We have it on almost every surface on the inside of this car. Then we have these gray metal panels on all the doors, on the dashboard. This is a beautiful interior, guys. To wrap it up, guys, this is a one-owner vehicle with just under 16,000 miles. It's in amazing condition with no damages or accidents on its Carfax report. The paint is in awesome condition. Interior is gorgeous. Under the hood, we have a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine that gets us 21 miles per gallon in city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This is an absolute beast of a sedan. We get that bigger engine, dual exhaust in the back, LED headlights, full leather interior. Beautiful car, guys. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company. Check it out. We'll see you guys soon.